Taking video, the garage door didn't open up for me. So I'm taking video tape because I had to use the intercom system to get the garage door open. And it didn't open. And now the next person behind me, I suspect, is having to do the same thing. Because the door's not opening for him either. Him or her. And I'll send this to Sandy Fiore. And she'll probably do nothing about it. As usual. But let's just keep filming and see what happens. See how long it takes them to get in. This has been going 1 minute 31 seconds right now. And these poor people can't get through the door. One of the nicer buildings in Chicago. It's being ruined by poor maintenance, poor management, poor supervision. And there's another car coming behind the car that's trying to get in. That one probably can't get in either. So, we're filming this here. Oh, had to open the door for him. Had to get out of his car. Yep, this is good, interesting stuff. And I'm driving up to my garage space. I get to see everything every night when I come in. Every night, pretty much, I would say a third, 30%, or 10 days a month, there's something wrong in this garage. Something not being properly handled. Something properly not working in that should be looked after and cared for and maintained. So my next call is to the building and safety, and I'm going to find out what's going on here. I'm tenacious, and tenacity has a way of overcoming what I would call complete lackadaisical management and the I don't care attitude. See that junction box up there? That was just covered up after I noted to Sandy Fiore that it was an open exposed box. There's a lot of them like that around here. I could take some more pictures for you, but I don't have the time tonight. And we're just going to find out. We're going to call Building and Safety, and we're going to call Chicago Fire Department and see what they got to think. What's that rag hanging off of that steel pipe over there? Is that to keep a leak from leaking? You know, there's 1,000 things that I could point out going wrong here, but none of them get addressed. And you guys want to debate whether you want to pay for the roof of my car that's been totally destroyed because of your garage doors? Sandy Fiore doesn't want to acknowledge my emails, the same emails that I send in asking for reimbursement, doesn't want to acknowledge they exist. She acknowledged one email that existed that I said I'm glad my kids weren't injured when they were in the car with me. But that was out of common courtesy. I'm sure there is some kind of human bone in her body, but I don't think there's a sympathetic one. And I don't think that she cares what goes on in this building. I was born and raised in skyscrapers. Started out 505 Lakeshore Drive, 1000 Lakeshore Plaza. Been at the very best of the buildings. And I gotta tell you, this is the most poorly run building And we ought to be ashamed of ourselves as owners, association members, and management company. And I promise you that I will be running for a seat on that homeowners association. You can bet your dollar on that.